So I'm gonna make some oats porridge for my breakfast, and I'm gonna just use what I have. So I think I have milk in here. Yes. And I'm supposed to have some vanilla here. And I don't have any sugar, so I think I'm gonna use my Fargo's honey as a sweetener also. I'm trying to cut out on sugar, so I haven't bought sugar in like 2 months. So this is what I'm gonna use. New stocks alert, guys. Don't forget to follow my business page on Instagram, and all links will be posted in the description below. I was just going through some fajas and shapewears that we have in stocks. I have sizes up to 3X. Colors in the black, nude, and the brown. Before going to my late mom-in-law's house for the weekend, Kai and I stopped at the supermarket to grab a few items. So you guys come along with us. Take it up and put it back.
Yeah. Oh, heavy. Baby.
Take up the baby.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Put it down. Put it back now. Put it to sit down. Good boy. Good job.
Hey, baby.
It's a baby. That's a dolly. Kaya kiss the dolly. Me never see this yet. What is wrong with you?
Hi, baby.
You can't kiss the dolly. Come.
Bye, baby.
All right, come.
Hi, baby.
You're walking past your juice. Take up your juice. Pass your Lasco. You don't want no Lasco? You don't want no Lasco? That's the flavor you want? You don't want the vanilla? Huh? You don't want the vanilla, Baba? Lasco? Huh? Caroline. What? What is it? Apple? I didn't come in here for apple, okay? You cannot eat. No, wait. You wait. You cannot eat it like that. It has to wash. Hide. Alright. You're eating your apple, and you didn't offer your mom any. Well, okay, well, you didn't offer mommy any. Next time I'm not paying for it then.
No.
Okay. I'm not gonna pay for it next time.
No.
Okay. Okay, have your apple.
Apple?
Yes.
The count 8 are derby. You don't want it, Baba? You don't want it?
Stop it.
You have to go bright, kind. Bright, leave me juice. No, but come, look. Okay, touch your head, touch your head. Touch your head. Oh, touch your penis. I was saying on your body part. Hey.
Good morning. I'm telling you good morning. Every little thing gonna be key. Yes, girl. little chubby baby, like that little girl. She's so sweet. Come, King, go ahead, say it. Say it for Auntie, go ahead. I was literally here just for the food. If you know, you know. The fritters, the curry chicken, the roti, the salt mackerel, the rundown, you name it. People, the fried fish, the barbecue pineapple chicken, everything was just on point. I bring Kai with me last minute when I was picking up my nephew, and I didn't regret it because seeing him interacting with the kids was such an eye-opener for me, and it made me know say him need to go to school. Yeah, cut off fine.
You can manage him. You let me cut you up. And you never do it yet.
No! Nah, dear, nothing. Nah, dear, nothing, Papa, come. Where you want to stop here? Come.
Kai, cool. Baba, you don't have to be scared. What's not that fear laugh? Tell me now.
What do you think? What do you think of?
I don't know. How much are they know?
You don't know more right
Hey. How much are they know?
now. You don't know more right now.
You don't know no more?
Right now.
Right now?
You know more, you know what any?
No, sir. You have to tell me. Right. Oh. After Jamaica Day, beat right out. You talking to Papa?
Hey, Papa. Daddy. What are you doing?
Take it.
Come make one giant sofa. A nice sofa. Come, Mother, come carry your chair over here. But no. No, I can't carry a chair over here too. Tell me if it's good. Mimi.